With an easy clean gutter cleaning set, you can clean your gutters without any trouble at all. No more balancing on top of a ladder, and you'll save the costs for a scaffold or lift. With the cleaning set, you can reach over bushes and fences, places that are difficult to reach with ladders and scaffolding. The cleaning set consists of carbon fiber tubes, and it comes in a handy carry bag. The carbon fiber tubes are very strong and lightweight, weighing only 200 grams per meter. They are approximately 1.5 meters long and are held together by a clamp lock. The cleaning sets are available in different lengths, up to 16.2 meters. By installing a wireless camera with monitor, you'll make sure you get it all. The camera is available with a recording function for documentation of your work. By using the powerful Ronda 520 wet vacuum cleaner for the task, it's never been easier to clean gutters. Ronda 520 has 3 motors and a very high suction capacity, which is necessary when cleaning gutters. The motors can be started separately in case you are working at old buildings with possible small fuses. The vacuum cleaner is easily emptied by means of the drain hose. The mesh bag holds back leaves and larger particles, whereas water and sand ends up in the container. With the large rubber wheels, Ronda 520 can easily pass over stairs, lawns and gravel. Now it's much easier to clean gutters up high. Ronda. Vacuums for life.